Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you are dealing with fruit flies at your home, you're not alone. Many people deal with it. And sometimes cleanliness definitely helps, but sometimes you need a more, like a trap or something. So this is a highly recommended product, TERRO, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. So make sure you watch it till the end, and also please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So guys, this is the product. I purchased it around $11 from Home Depot. So it has got two of these and each lasts for 90 days. Okay, so it's good. So it is an apple shape and you don't have to open it or do something. So this is the trap. Fruit flies enter from here and then they get into the liquid and that's gone. Now it also comes with two pouches, as you can see. So I'm going to use only one for now. So it's pretty simple. What you have to do is you have to slightly twist it. See, it's easily to twist it, and then put it here and just squeeze it a bit. Make sure it does not come out. Okay, come out, like does not fall out. Right? See, it's going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, down. And you can hear it once it's empty. Done. So I'm gonna dispose it and put this near the places where you store generally items like fruits, or near the sink area. I mean any area where you see high activity of fruit flies, and then they automatically gonna go inside and fall into this and die. That's how simple it is. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.